In this tough COVID time, we all are looking for the right information. I wanted to share my experience of vaccination. So, this is a Tageek trace portal where all the people who are living in Tageek or working in Tageek can easily register and get vaccinated. So, here is the link. I will be posting this link in the video description. You can go from there and follow the instructions. So to register, basically you just need to click on the sign up page. In the sign up page, you will need to classify yourself whether you are resident, transient or visitor. For residents, you will need to present your valid resident ID when you are visiting the booth. Then for transient worker, you will be able to register, but you have to share your information with your company. Here your company must be registered with the Tageek portal, and then they will be able to book your slot. So here I am selecting the resident, and in this form you just need to fill in your basic information, location, personal information, and you have to select your password, confirm password and all, and then you have to submit your information. After submission, your account will be created and then you will be able to log into the Tageek portal. So once you logged in, you will see your vaccination profile and the vaccination online appointment. These two options are very important. On the vaccination profile, you need to fill in your missing information. You also have to upload a valid ID and that will complete your profile. Post that, if you are a resident of Tageek, you will be able to directly book the appointment. You have to click on this option. As I am already vaccinated, so I am not getting any option for my second dose because it is still some time left. But in your case, that you will be able to select the date, you will be able to select the venue, and then after selection you will be seeing the available time slot. Once you select the time slot and submit, a QR code will be generated with your appointment detail that you have to bring along with your valid ID to the vaccination center. If you are an essential worker under A4 category, or if you have any comorbidity, you may expect your appointment soon. You need to reach vaccination center at least half an hour before. It might be crowded. In my case, it took 2 to 3 hours. Once you are there, they will be given you a health declaration form. You have to show your ID along with the appointment detail QR code, and you are good to go for your vaccination. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.